Good afternoon, everyone. Please settle down and give your full attention. We are gathered today to conduct a safety meeting regarding the recent deck accident involving the mooring winch on the forward deck. The purpose of this meeting is not to blame anyone, but to clearly understand what happened, identify the causes, and most importantly, to ensure that this kind of accident does not happen again. This incident reminds us that even routine tasks can become dangerous when safety procedures are ignored. I now ask the Chief Officer to present the incident summary. I now ask the Chief Officer to present the incident summary.
Thank you, Captain. Yesterday at approximately 10:30 hours on the forward deck, Able Seaman Ronald was assigned to grease the mooring winch. At the time, the winch was running at slow speed. During the operation, A.B. Ronald was not wearing protective gloves. While applying grease, his hand slipped and was caught briefly between the winch guard and the mooring wire. The operation was stopped immediately after the incident. First aid was promptly administered, and the injury was reported according to company procedures. Fortunately, the injury was not life-threatening, but it could have been so much worse.
Thank you, Chief Officer. Now, Ronald, please explain what happened in your own words so everyone can learn from it.
Yes, Captain. I honestly thought it was just a quick and simple job. I didn't wear my gloves because I wanted to finish fast and move on the next task. While I was applying grease, my hand slipped, and before I realized it got pulled toward moving part of the winch. I felt rigid pain and knew I had made a mistake. Looking back now, I realized that I should have worn my PPE and when should have been completely stopped. I take responsibility for my action and hope the crew can learn from my mistakes.
Rago, you were at that time. Please tell us what you saw.
Yes, Captain. I saw Ronald working on the winch and noticed that he was not wearing gloves. I reminded him and told him to put them on. He replied that it would only take a moment. A few seconds later, his hand slipped. I immediately shouted to stop the winch. We all reacted quickly, but by that time, the accident had already happened. This situation showed me how fast things can go wrong, even during a simple job. Thank you, Captain.
This situation showed me how fast things can go wrong, even during a simple job.
Yes, thank you, Captain. After reviewing the incident, the following causes were identified. Immediate cause: failure to wear required PPE, especially protective gloves. Contributing causes: maintenance work carried out while machinery was still running, overconfidence due to the task being rotated, lack of strict supervision at that moment, a quick job mentality, and complacency. This accident was 100% preventable if proper procedure has been followed. To prevent this similar incident, the following corrective action will be strictly enforced. Mandatory PPE checks before any deck operation. Greasing and maintenance of winches must only be done when machinery is fully stopped and isolated. Bosun and officer must verify safety compliances before work begins. Additional safety signage will be installed near deck machinery. Toolbox stock will be conducted before all mooring and deck machinery tasks. Job hazard analysis or GHA for winch maintenance will be reviewed with all deck crew. These actions are not optional and must be followed at all times.
Captain, I did remind Ronald about wearing PPE, but I accept responsibility as well. I should have stopped the job until he was properly equipped. From now on, I will be stricter in enforcing safety rules and will not allow any shortcuts on deck.
That is correct. Safety rules exist to protect us. Even experienced crew members can get injured if we become complacent. There should be no shortcuts, especially around moving machinery.
Thank you for everyone's participation and honest input. Let this incident serve as a strong reminder to all of us. PPA is mandatory, not optional, and no work is to be done in running efficiently. Safety is a shared responsibility. Look out for yourself and for your fellow crew members. If you see something unsafe, speak out immediately. I expect strict compliance with safety procedures moving forward. This meeting is now adjourned.
Thank you.